it's Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2, sharing with you another incoming swap hosted. This is the Valentine's Day swap hosted by Beck at Becs Crafting World and Bethany at Your Crafty BFF. This incoming swap is from Iris, who is at Shorty Custom Creations, and I will leave everybody's information down below in the box so you guys can check out their stuff. The requirements for this swap were to make the embellishment book following Bethany's tutorial. The left side had to have 3 sets of 3 unembellished embellishments, and the right side is like an embellishment box, so you just fill it like you would an embellishment box. And I wanted to go ahead and show you, oh, I forgot this part. This part was also part of Iris's swap. She has gifted some of this chocolate heart candy in a tube. And it just says sweet treat, and it's wrapped around the cute little tube here. But before I opened this part, I wanted to show you guys how cute it was. It came wrapped in the tulle and has this little wooden decoration on it that says cutie pie, and it's like a little door hanger, so I can put it on like my craft room door or whatever for the Valentine's Day season. And give me a second to take all the plastic off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have unwrapped Iris's swap, and this is what the cover looks like. She has a what do you call it, ruffled heart doily here almost in the back, and we have a rosette. Then we have some cool like mesh between the between the rosette and the ephemera piece here. It says, "Hey sugar, the conversation hearts say hugs and love," and there's even a little like a drop, a nouveau drop kind of deal, a little gem on the A here. On each of her corners, she's added these like antique looking corners. They're really beautiful like metal pieces to accent each of the corners. On the side, she has made this beautiful little like ribbon. It's like the little bookmark type holders, and we have a pink and white ribbon, a sheer pink ribbon, a pink and white polka dot, little vines. I just realized I am so out of focus. I'm sorry, guys. The vine and the some lace and just some other trim, and of course these beautiful beadwork here. And then the back has her information on it, and like I said, I'll include all that in the box down below, as well as a link to Beck's unboxing video. When I do unboxings, I do them up here in my craft room, and I don't have natural light in here, so I have to use this webcam with the like light thing, and I know it's not the best. So yeah, sorry. This cam is back from when my brother was stationed in Iraq, so like it's like 2011. I definitely could use an upgrade. I also missed right here, there were some more ephemera, just some hearts, and some more of these cute little enamel dots as well. Also included in the bag there was this cute little keychain, and it just says XOXO, and then we have a little white dot, and then, dot bead, and then a bead with some like little daisies on it, and a little bow cabochon. And up here at the top is a light pink like disc bead. Here is a memory dex card that she has made. It's in this beautiful arch shape, and it's layered up in different sizes. I actually just made something similar for another swap I'm doing, so that's pretty cute that we kind of had the same idea. Anyways, so she's got the layered up arches, and then here she has another rosette and that really cool like tulle mesh between it, and then she has this beautiful flower along with this ephemera that says happy, and on the back is her information. She likes her favorite color is pink, mint, gold, and purple, and she loves all crafty things. I also couldn't tell till I looked at the back, but this this bottom layer here is embossed with like this like sweater texture almost. So it's really cool. She's tried to add a bunch of texture on her designs here. To hold her book together, she has used this pretty white like organza type ribbon. And let's open it up. Okay, so this is the inside of her embellishment box, and she's even decorated the little spine. It's got some little like rub-ons here. We have a cute little flower, a little heart, a flower, a little bow. It says, "Darling, you are golden." It has a little heart on it. On this side, she has used some more of that ephemera with some hearts, and this says hugs, and she's got cute little like daisy flowers here. And she has made this beautiful pin. Let me open this up for you guys. So she's made this beautiful pen, and I've never seen one like this. I'm not sure if she did this herself, but it's got like diamond dots almost, like all around the edge here, like between those two pieces. Then she has another one of those cool focal beads with the like daisies on it, a like white disc bead, and then this one is a star bead with like rainbow colors almost, and then a little like coffee mug and another like disc bead in this really beautiful purple color. Go ahead and set that over here with my pens. For her handmade flowers, oh, I also forgot we also had to make 6 handmade flowers, and here are hers. Let's open these guys up. Now she also embossed on this on this packaging, and it has like flowers embossed on the paper. So we have this like gold vellum flower, this really pretty pink flower, and this paper I recognize right away because it's from that paper that I was working with, that Hobby Lobby Coquette paper. Then this paper here that matches the collection she's used, this white and diamond paper, and then these guys are made out of foam, and it's red and white. Cute little flowers here. Then she has made some cups and matching spoons. Okay, so they're just cute little teacups. These would have been perfect for, I did a Bridgerton swap not too long ago, and these would have been perfect for that. It looks like she also has like the layering pieces if you wanted to make them into like a shaker. She has it in that mustard color, in this pink color, and an ivory. And here are the matching spoons. And then this was like that sweater type of texture I was talking about that was on her Memdex. It's a lot easier to see here than it was on the Memdex. So she's added lots of like embossing folders, lots of texture throughout this entire project. And our top pocket here. Ooh. Alright, let's see. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. I really should clean off my desk before I start making videos. Okay. So she's got these cute little bow toppers on all of these guys, and here we have this cute, I don't even know what you would call this shape, but she has these really cute, like layered up, I don't even know what to call them, kind of like a coffin, but not really, because maybe like a marquee type, I don't know. They're cute though. They remind me, like especially this one, of like carousel. So it'd be really cute to do some like carousel projects with like that one in particular. And of course these guys are perfect for Valentine's Day, and they all have the cute little edge around them with the little dots. Here we have some layered like scalloped rectangles. The first one is this light pink with the like little diamond gold on there. Then these are made out of a foam material. We have the white glitter and the pink glitter. And then on the back is that other like really fun combination that reminded me of like carousel. The real bright colors. And for the last one in this guy, she has some little scalloped hearts. And we have a little, it's like, this one is the heart pattern, this one is the bow pattern in pink, and this is a bow pattern in blue. And then again, it's on that textured paper. She's ran it all through her embossing folders. And then on each of these pockets, I had told you guys about the hearts down here, the ephemera. Here we have a stamp ephemera, and this one says XOXO. And over to the embellishment box. Hold on one second. I'm afraid I'm going to knock stuff off my desk again. Hold on. So over here on the embellishment box, she has layered a scalloped heart, some more of that fun mesh, tool mesh, whatever you want to call it. We have a like banner over here, and then we have this really beautiful cabochon that she has hung using a like jump ring. This really beautiful butterfly, and then she's layered up 2 different hearts here in the middle to be the focal of her embellishment box. Inside she's lined it with a purple paper, and she's put another paper on top to try and keep everything from going everywhere. I tried to do the same, but I think mine still went everywhere too, so I get it. Yeah, everything kind of got jumbled up in shipping here, I can tell. But let's start, I guess, at the top and make our way down. She's included some different like bling stickers. We have like the pearls. We have this like diamond looking one. And we have the, and like a, is that the same size? Or I think they're the same size. But she's included some like bling trim. I'm not sure. Maybe these guys went here, but they're like cabochons that are hearts. They're really shiny and really sparkly. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I get them all. So she's included those beautiful little hearts, and there's sticky gems. She's included some trim. Oh, look, there were more in there. I feel like they're going to be popping out at me for the rest of the thing. Okay. Alright, so she has included some of this cool mesh trim, and then some of this, I forget what this kind of trim is called, but it's got like the eyelash stuff on the sides here. So thank you very much for that. Let's see. She's also included some of this organza trim in the pink and the white. And then she's included some more samples in this like mustard color, as well as this like white with like iridescent edges. Absolutely beautiful. She's included some die cuts here. Trying to make sure I grab them all. Hold on. I'm not sure if they all go together. I think they were all supposed to go together. And things just got mixed up. Hold on. Okay, so they're just a bunch of different die cut hearts. We have this cool like gold and white pattern. The gold splash vellum, some solid gold, another gold and white, the vellum, the sparkly pink, a glitter red, another white and gold, sparkly pink, gold, this like bow paper, another bow paper, and a sparkly red. She's included a few different butterflies here, some cabochons. It looks like they got like a hole here. We can make them into like little charms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. They come in pink, pink and blue and yellow. Is this guy green? He might be green. Yeah, he looks more green compared to yellow. Okay, so, and green. She has included some washi tape, lots and lots of washi tape here. We have this cool, like, blue wave. We have this purple, not sure what you would call this pattern. It's like maybe like a heart and some X's. And then this cool pink stripe and a, like, wood grain almost color. Look, I have more hearts flying around here. She's included some already made fabric bows, which are fantastic. We have blue and white polka dot. I'm sorry, it's a blue and white polka dot. This green iridescent, a pink iridescent, a blue iridescent, another pink iridescent, and a white iridescent. This cool light pink with a flower in the middle, the white with a flower in the middle, a black and white polka dot, a pink and white polka dot, and like this mustard polka dot, and this beautiful purple with the little rosette in the middle. She has made some rosettes for us, and I hate to make rosettes, so thank you so much for this. They're in a bunch of different patterns and colors here, so that we can use them with anything. It doesn't just have to be for Valentine's Day. I'll stick those over with my already made rosettes because I like to not have to make them. Then she's included some huge flower cabochons here. These are humongous, and then a bunch of small ones in this variety of colors here. So many of them. Just trying to make sure I got them all out. It's hard for me to see without getting in the way of the camera. And more of the heart die cuts. I told you I'd probably find those everywhere. Alright, so, and here are all of the beautiful little cabochon roses that she has included as well. And I believe that is everything. Thank you so much, Iris, for sending this and taking your time to send me all this beautiful stuff. I absolutely love everything you've made for me, and I'm very happy and grateful for them. Thank you to Beck and to Bethany for hosting, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.